Welcome back, everyone. Here's a live look from Flint Township along Interstate 75, the 69 interchange close by. Looks like traffic moving okay at this point, but clearly snow-covered roads and slower driving. And we have a lot of schools that have closed now, over 65 school districts here across mid-Michigan, and most of them in our southern counties have closed this morning due to this latest round of wintry weather. New from last night into this morning, Shiawassee, Genesee, and Lapeer counties in the pink under a winter storm warning now. That was upgraded from a winter weather advisory like we're seeing here from Sanilac to Tuscola and Saginaw counties, where we're looking at lighter snow totals. That's up north, so that's why we're still under the advisory, but we have adjusted some of the snow totals to the south. Not much different from what I was forecasting yesterday, only added an additional inch on top of that, but that was enough to upgrade us to a warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service also highlighting Huron and Sanilac counties under a wind advisory beginning at 8 o'clock, and that's for very strong northerly and northeasterly winds coming in off of Lake Huron. If it's not frozen solid, we've got a little bit of open water out there, so there's nothing to slow the wind down from this Arctic air mass that's moving into the system. So in these areas, we could see gusts up to 50 miles per hour that could create some sporadic power interruptions as you head out throughout the day today. Here was last night, a little before 1 a.m. Watch what happened over the last 6 hours. We have completely filled in with snow from the Saginaw Bay to the south, and heavy snow where you see those darker blues lining up right along the Interstate 69 corridor, and that's falling right in line with those winter storm warnings, and already reports of 2 to 3 inches of snowfall along I-69. Once you get north of there, about an inch or so in and around the Tri-Cities. But this band just to the west of the Saginaw Bay through Bay County and also Midland back to Isabella County, that's going to be the heaviest band for our northern counties, and this is why snow accumulations are expected to remain much lighter. This is one of the models saying less than an inch for most of our northernmost counties, but quickly picking up 2 to 3 inches of snowfall in the advisory areas, and then in the warning areas anywhere from 5 to 6 inches of snow. So taking the new warnings from the National Weather Service plus some computer model data and plus what's going on the radar right now and how much has already fallen, here's what I'm projecting for your forecast. I think 4 to 7 a definite bet here. We will see some of us from 6 to 7 inches, especially in the southern part of Lapeer, Genesee, and Shiawassee counties, but most of us are going to fall in about 5 to 6 inches of snow. Now that's important in Flint because if we get 5.6 inches of snow, we tie the all-time snowiest winter on record in the city of Flint. If we get 5.7 inches of snow, that would break it and put us now at the top for the winter of 2013 to 2014. I'm thinking a rough 2 to 3 inches of snowfall with an isolated 4-inch amount in southern Saginaw, southern Tuscola County, and again an inch or less for our northernmost county. So this really is going to be a big storm system for the southern communities as compared to up north. Temperatures are into the 20s and 30s, not bad, but it is going to drop throughout the day because of these strong northerly winds that are right now sustained at 15 to 20 miles per hour, but gusting to near 30 occasionally. And as we get the storm system strengthening even more later this afternoon, I wouldn't be surprised to see gusts inland over 40 miles per hour. That is going to create the possibility for blizzard-like conditions in our southern counties today. So I'm not expecting any blizzard warnings or anything like that, but just note you could encounter whiteout possibilities or very reduced visibilities at times, especially with these heavy snow bands that continue to set up across our southern counties. So we are watching this latest winter storm for you. I've got some good news though. It will be out of here as early as this afternoon, but then we have to talk about the potential for record-breaking cold. I'll have that